the way he likes to build the furniture. Yeah. He enjoys making the shapes and deciding the colors. Yeah. Martin, you're a true designer. That's what you are.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, when I do furniture, I always think about women in my life.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Like me?
Like you, for instance.
Yeah.
Maria is.
Yes, she's the woman of your life. Yeah. And I'm not, apparently, but that's fine. I'm not technically a woman.
Not yet.
Not yet, no.
Can I try it, honey?
Please do.
So what have you done to it?
Well, the thing is, first of all, I make the cushion a little softer because I know that you're.
I have a very sensitive butt. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Maria.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the sensitive butt.
Yes.
Yeah.
You always call it that in school, right?
Yes, I did. Yeah, that's where we met first in
Yes.
school. In
Yes.
high school, we
Yes.
met.
Yes.
In high school. Yeah. Actually, I think it was you and I who met her because we decided that we need to know this girl.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
And we just approached her and her
It's really
sensitive butt.
It's really nice.
Yeah, thank you. That's. No, thank you. So, when's the operation?
The operation? It's sort of the first tests starts in a month.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you're really welcome to stay with us.
Thank
You
you.
know.
Yeah, I enjoy staying at your place.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because you're the most loving people I've ever met. You're like the master and mistress of love. That's what you are. Yeah.
We sure are.
We sure
Yeah.
are.
Yeah.
I'm also thinking about the hearts on the walls that you've painted. You're a true artist, Martin.
Well,
Yes.
the thing is, I was thinking of Maria and how her eyes kind of glisten, and when she's sleeping, and I just lie next to you and look at you, and
Oh, you do?
yeah. Thing is, I can't see myself without Maria, and I will never do that either, because we're gonna die at the same time.
Are you technically sure about that, though? Because
No, of course not. But that's something you say. That's something. I can't see myself without Maria.
no, you're truly the perfect couple.
I'm so sorry you missed our wedding, though.
Oh yeah, it's
Yeah.
fine. Invitations disappear. It was
No,
fine.
but it was such a small, it was out on the countryside in this beautiful old-fashioned hotel,
Oh yes, yeah, I know. Yeah, we actually spent some time
Yes,
together.
you did. Yeah, so
Yeah.
you know that there are only like 8 rooms.
Yes, yeah.
I'm so
Yeah.
sorry.
Yeah, no, it's.
But
it's,
the weather was shitty. It was the day before midsummer. Midsummer is always
Oh
shitty.
yeah, it always
Yeah,
rains
rains
and
and
it
rains.
cracks and cracks.
Yeah, and also it's just.
It's you and your girlfriends and Maria.
Yeah. Yeah. But the thing is, like, why do you want to go to a wedding anyway? You know the ending. Like,
Yeah.
yes, and kiss, and then it's done.
Yeah, but I know your ending.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, aren't weddings really the perfect place to sort of pick up people?
Yeah.
Everyone is talking about love all the time, and there's some dancing and bodies rubbing.
Yeah. But we can have a party when you're done with the
Yes.
surgery.
Yeah, that'll be one hell of a party.
Yeah.
Post-op party.
Yeah.
Well, not directly after operation, of course.
No, because then I can't dance. It will
It's
hurt.
gonna be
Yeah.
hurtful.
Oh, but you can sit in that comfy chair.
Oh.
Very soft couch.
Oh, yeah, the pillow. You've done marvels with the colors and the.
Well, it was all about Maria. Peanuts?
Oh no, I'm allergic. Thank you.
Oh, that's right. So it's okay if I eat peanuts?
Oh, you can eat peanuts as long as I don't swallow them. It's fine. It's what I usually tell my boyfriends, but that's not. I'm sorry, I shouldn't have gone there. It was inappropriate.
So So it's really super fine and lovely that you stay with us.
Thank you,
Yeah.
thank you. And the guest room.
Yeah.
Oh, I love the guest room. I love
so
these
much.
really, really small spaces.
Yeah.
It makes
Yeah.
it extra comfy.
Comfy,
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was thinking of you and like you know the pillows. I coordinated them after you were.
Oh, yeah, that's where all the black came from.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's the thing. Like I like the darkness inside of you, the pain.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
kind of like.
It really feels, that you are full of it. The pain.
Yeah, I truly am. And I think, to be honest, I think that's why I like hanging out with you. Because you're not comforting at all. Really? No, I mean, this sounds like a horrible thing, but
No,
to
it's
be
not,
honest, I
it's
think
not.
it's, you're not mean, you're not
No,
deliberately
no,
mean, you
no.
just say things like you see them.
Yes.
And sometimes the truth hurts.
Yes.
Yeah.
And that's the way life is. Dark.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Friendship hurts.
Yes.
Yeah, and sometimes, it doesn't really last.
No.
The cashews. You can eat cashews.
Yeah, I can have cashews. Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you.
Good. Yeah. Susan.
Yeah, yeah, I remember her.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. It was back in college. Yeah, I lived in the same room.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry for the noise.
Oh, it wasn't just the noise, it was the movements as well.
Well, we had only afford a bunk bed, so.
Yeah, yeah. And I had the top, and the top is always a little bit shakier.
I always liked her singing.
Oh yeah, I did sing a lot while you were. Yeah.
Kind of like hold the rhythm. Like that.
I didn't see it like that, then I probably wouldn't have done it, but no.
Really?
Yeah, no.
I thought you were helping. For me, it was like a threesome in some ways.
What?
Yeah.
What? It
Yeah.
was? It was like a threesome in some ways?
Yeah, of course. You were in it, or yeah, you were kind of like the soundtrack of the Lovemaking.
Yeah.
That's what I like about you. You're kind of like that.
Martin,
person.
I'm in love with you, and the only reason I sort of decided to become a woman was because I knew that you would. I thought, a part of me thought that maybe you would love me if I became a woman.
I know.
You know?
Yeah.
You didn't stop me?
What? I thought you.
You want me?
No.
As a woman?
No. I want you to be happy.
No, you don't.
Of course I do.
You do?
Because I want to hear your heart sing as much as your voice. I can still hear you sing through the walls.
Yeah. Ooga chaka, ooga chaka, ooga, ooga, ooga chaka, ooga chaka, ooga chaka, ooga, ooga, ooga chaka.
Deep
Good
inside.
chaka.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
those were the
There you
times.
go,
Yeah. I think I need to go to the bathroom.
Why? Hi.
Hi. Where did he go?
To the bathroom.
Oh.
Nobody knows the trouble I've seen. Nobody knows but Jesus.
I want to have children with you.
No,
You do?
Yeah.
no,
Well, I want to have children with you too.
no,
kind?
no.
Well, perfect
No.
ones, of course.
Oh, well, that's obvious. That's obvious. But I would like to have two boys.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we could try. It's a 50-50 kind
No.
of. No?
No, the thing is, like, it's all in the mindset about because, like, I have 4 brothers,
Yeah.
and my mother all told me that if you want to have a boy, you just have to want that.
Okay. Both of us?
Both of us need to want that, yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Because, like, a child is part me and part you,
Yes. 50-50.
50-50.
Yeah. And?
No, just 50-50. That's 100.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. If you want boys, then let's try for boys.
Your skin is like leather.
Leather?
Good leather.
Good leather.
Yeah. I have to be honest with you.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, I've been drinking.
Yeah.
That's the thing I wanted to tell
What?
you. I've been drinking.
You started drinking again?
Yes. Yeah, that's the whiskey you felt under my breath. I can't work anymore. That's the thing. This. Look at this.
Yes.
What's this? What's
It's a
this?
beautiful chair with a really soft cushion.
Yes, I know. But there's no passion in it. There's just a chair. You know?
Yeah,
Look
it's
at
a
Susan. Look at this. Look at that. Look at
Why
that.
do you call it Susan, by the way?
Like, you know that. Everybody here, every little chair here is a woman in my life. This is you.
And it's no passion in it?
Yeah. That's kind of what I'm saying. Like, and the thing is, I kind of like it. It's comfortable. It's like I can sit in it but after a while I get tired of it. You know, it's like.
Are you still talking about the chair?
Yes, I'm talking about the chair.
You said you wanted to be honest?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to be honest.
Yeah.
I want to be honest. I perhaps don't want chairs anymore. I want to try a couch. It's like this. Like this. This is something. This is something new. This is passion. This is Mark.
Yeah.
Hi, Mark.
Hi. I'm done now.
So
Like-
what would be the name of the couch?
I don't know. I don't know. It's hard.
What would be the name of the couch?
That's a good question, Mark. Say what? It's a good question about the name of the couch, right? Because you have to name everything, right? You have to label everything.
A couch is for more than one person. A couch is for more than one person.
Yeah.
You know how many people have room in a couch?
Well, it depends on the couch.
Yeah, and how you lay in it, but usually more than one.
Yeah.
I have an idea. I have an idea. Wait.
It's the cashews.
Yes, I know. I can't help checking them. Not since the debacle.
Yes, with the peanuts. I'm so sorry.
It's fine.
You do look kind of cute when you're puffy, though.
No. Fine.
It was scary with the breathing.
I don't think
But the puffiness was cute.
I don't think you've ever liked me. I think you found me annoying. I've been like the friend that was always singing.
Well, you are always singing, aren't you?
Oh, yeah, sometimes. When things happen in life that I don't like, then I sing it out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Leave him now, leave him now. Oh, sorry.
Why would I do that?
I don't know. Because he doesn't like you, I think. No, he likes you. You're like a comfortable chair. You're not like this chair. This chair has passion. And it smells a little bit different. Your chair, it's more like leather. This one, it has soft, expensive silk.
Yeah. How long were you staying here, did you say? For?
Yeah, until after the operation,
Yeah.
so just a couple of months.
Yeah.
I like him. I love him. I've always loved him. I fell in love with him when we first
In
met.
a platonic way? Or
No, in a very deep sexual way.
What?
In a passionate way. In a friendly way.
What, does he know this?
Yeah, I've told him.
You told
Yeah,
him?
I just told him. And you know what he said?
No.
He said, I know.
He knows?
He knows. And I think that's why he's keeping me around. He likes me. He likes me sort of trying to have him. I don't think he wants me, but he enjoys my presence. He enjoys me.
You're supposed to turn into a woman.
Yes, because he likes women. And I know it won't work. And I'll probably be miserable. Then at least I tried. I tried to do something that I felt really passionately about. I wouldn't settle for like the dry leather couch. I went for the silk.
So you accept me to just take this and
Well,
let you stay in our spare room?
I have my own key. I'm sorry, I really like you actually. No, I do. It was me that sort of... I
Introduced
suggested,
us,
yes, yeah.
Yes.
But I can't help to be jealous. And I like you, but I love him.
Well, this is a bit overwhelming. I think I'm just gonna go away for a while to the bathroom.
Yeah.
Think a little bit.
Yes, it's a good place to think.
Maybe scream. I
Yeah.
don't know. We'll
Oh,
see.
Yeah. I've got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Are you looking at our old school photos?
Yeah.
No.
Look.
Oh, that's you in that tuxedo.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you look so good in a tuxedo.
Unfortunately, Nick Carter was popular back then. Like, whoa.
Yeah. Yeah, but we remove. Ah.
That's a 15-year-old boy's body you're talking about now.
Yeah, well, I'm the 15-year-old boy just next to you.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah. Right behind you. Almost touching you.
Yeah, now you mention it.
Smelling your hair.
Those were the days, right?
I know the back of your head like my own pocket.
What's in your pocket now?
What? No, nothing. Look at that. That's supposed to mean something?
Yes!
Why? What? It's just paper.
Because you think you know me.
I do know you.
Yeah, you know me. You know the picture of me.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
And I know your hobbies.
Mm-hmm.
And your women.
Yeah.
Yeah, and your Maria.
Yeah.
Magdalena. What's her name?
Maria.
Maria, of course.
You don't know Maria's
Just checking.
name?
Yeah. I know. I know her name. It's Maria.
Yeah. Do you remember when we were in that
Oh,
restaurant?
yes, that little restaurant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That you can like go up.
Yeah. You can go up in the elevator in the restaurant, and then on top, you can sort of watch all the people that are eating down below.
Looking at them like ants. I wanted to kill myself that day.
What? Why?
Because I was standing looking at those people and I felt like, this is me. You know?
An ant?
No. Those were the ants. Everybody's ants.
You're like God?
No. The thing.
Who are you?
I am I'm the observer. I'm the someone that just sees things. I can see what's beautiful in life, but I can't feel it, right? Like for instance this. This
This is a beautiful chair.
it's a beautiful chair. And I can make it that someone sitting in it, they can feel how beautiful, nice, and soft it is. And this, I can make something from the woman in my dreams. I can make something, a chair from that person.
You know what I think?
Tell
I
me.
think once you've done the chair, you're done with the woman.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
Yeah. And yet you're standing here
Yeah.
talking about children with her.
Yeah.
It's like you come to a point in your life when the relationship isn't not good enough and you're trying to replace it with children.
Yeah.
Yeah. With boys.
Yeah.
What? No.
What? No.
No, you shouldn't do that.
Why not?
You shouldn't make everyone else as miserable and cold and empty as you are.
If I want to change my life and put more boys in my life, it's okay. I can explain.
I will always.
You.
Can't explain
No.
properly.
No.
That's I do care about you and I want to have you in my life. But I've done you now. Yeah.
Oh, he has done
You just did him! That's what I saw!
Oh, there's a lot more to do over here, I can tell you.
Okay, the thing is, we were just talking before the thing, and that
He was talking with his tongue down my throat. That's why.
you're not helping right now. The thing is, I think in my life I have this thing that I want to create, right? I want to make something. That's perhaps why I want children with you.
Oh, this is not for you anymore.
Why?
Why?
Yeah. Okay. Thing is, I want to create, but when I've created it, I'm done. I want to be like, now I can observe, right? I don't want to sit in the chairs. I want other people to sit in the chairs.
No!
I want to-
Stop talking. Do me.
No.
But you know I'm going to leave you afterwards.
Yes, but not until you've made a beautiful chair.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, I'm still here.
No.
Having my heart broken.
Yeah,
Yes.
but you're done. Come on. Come on. Ooga chaka, 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 ooga chaka. Oh!
Didn't feel any better doing that. All by myself. Don't wanna be all by myself.
Anymore. I've done him now.
You just came here to rub it in, or what?
I just want to be honest with you. I still want to watch you while you sleep. I want to observe. But in a distance. It's not easy, you know, being me.
It's not easy being you.
No? And it's not easy being you either.
No?
No.
Right now it's kind of hard, actually.
Maria, I just met a girl named Maria. And suddenly that name
I have to do a share now.
same to me. Maria,
Mark?
I just kissed a girl named Maria. And suddenly I found how wonderful.
Are we over now?
Yeah?
And then we met again. It was 1 year later. You know what I miss about you? About not seeing you every day? Hello?
Yeah, continue.
Nothing.
Sound like you know me, right?
No.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I know you. There's nothing.
No,
I
exactly.
had you.
Yeah,
And now I have my couch.
yeah. I know.
And I don't miss you. And I'm not a woman. And I don't want you. And I don't want you to have me. I don't care about you, actually.
That's fine.
It's okay.
Hi.
Hi. How are the kids? Sleeping?
Yeah,
Yeah.
the twins. Adam and Eric, they're both sleeping.
Adam and Eric.
Yeah.
Hello, Maria.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I was sitting on you a week ago. Or
The chair, yeah.
The chair, yeah. Kind of sitting,
Soft,
yeah, leathery.
leathery. Yeah. Good.
So you're happy?
I'm happy. You?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's
Perfect.
miserable.
Thank you.
Yeah, you don't really have any real friends, do you?
No.
You did me, and then I was gone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But don't let me disturb. I'm gonna take some peanuts.
Oh, sure.
So stand here and observe you having a conversation.
Are you happy?
I'm okay. You know, life is dark and miserable in many ways, but sometimes it's quite okay. You know, when you've had a glass of whiskey or a really nice beer, and no one is asking anything in particular from you, and you don't have any particular goals. You just
Catch one in your mouth.
no, I will not do that.
You're just being childish now, Martin. Please.
Dangerous and mean.
What?
Be happy. In every life we have some trouble. When you worry, you make
Really?
it down, but don't worry.
Again?
Be happy.
No, I'm just playing with him.
Don't worry.
He's lying on me.
Don't worry.
Oh, I bought that children's chair that you asked for. I found it. I found it really cheap, like in a second-hand store.
Where is it? Where is it?
Yeah, I left it in the garage.
Perfect.
Don't worry, be happy. Ain't got no place to lay your head. Somebody came and took your bed. Don't worry. Be happy.
You want peanuts?
No, no! I made up the bed in the spare room. The black one, the dark, really small, very cozy.
Thank you.
I took out the black pillow and I put it on the bed. Or maybe you would rather stay here on the sofa.
Yeah. I'd rather lie here for a while.